I started building AI-powered automations over a year ago. I can safely say that I was probably one of the first in the space. And it's because I knew this is the direction everybody would go. And here we are a year and a half later, and this is the direction everybody's going. So if I'm at all accurate in predicting anything about this particular industry, I will say in the next year or 2 years, watch out, because we're going to see more of this. The evolutions of this will be businesses are going to move into, every single one of them is going to have their own RAG databases. Eventually, a big number of them are going to start fine-tuning their own models. It's going to get more and more sophisticated, and businesses are going to be more and more in need of having their own assets, right? You're going to see more and more businesses start deploying local instances of LLMs. We're going to start seeing businesses using more than just OpenAI's GPT. All in the next couple of years, we're going to start seeing this. It'll get to a point, I think, in the next 5 years where it's standard. Every business, this is the LLM that we use. This is the RAG database, that we store all of our business information in, and may or may not have some fine-tuning elements involved too. That's just going to be standard. So my message to the world is it's inevitable. The ambitious opportunists need to recognize this and figure out how to build a valuable skill. For the last year and a half, we've seen people who were ambitious opportunists, but they were just interested in jumping on the AI hype. So all they did was regurgitate stuff, or like, here's 10,000 GPT prompts, and kind of like stuff that's not necessarily super useful. We're moving away from that, thankfully. If you want to really get into this industry, you got to build an actual skill, skill that shows that you have real knowledge in AI, real knowledge in, but it doesn't require coding. I'm proof of that. But you do need to build a skill that is going to be useful to businesses, a real skill. Outside of that, if you're a business, jump in, do it now. Your competitors will be there next year. Promise, 100% promise. If you have a business, you might as well start deploying this stuff now, because next year your competitors will, and you'll be a year ahead of them if you start now. So I guess that's my message to the world. Go work.